Hi guys, welcome back to part four. Well, I guess episode four of the yard transformation video. Now, this video is um, I think it focuses more on the plan that I have for the garden and doing some of the planter boxes for the yard. But yeah, so it's I guess this video is very much focused on the goal and some of the cleanup that I'm doing and I am constantly doing to the garden. So if you are new here, my name is Kayleigh and this is Kayleigh Kate Vlog. On this channel, I focus on DIY project, gardening, and just lifestyle videos. So from daily vlogs that focus on fitness and also just stuff that I do on my daily life. So if you like to stick around, please subscribe to the channel and I hope you enjoy this video. Good morning, guys. So I know the first part of my yard transformation was me basically cleaning my yard. Well, let's just say it is again already a mess in the process of me trying to fix everything and trying to build things. So I just want to show you guys what my yard looks like right now. So from a pallet, again, the legs is 30 inches. I still need to rinse this table out and finish sanding it, and then I did find a nice wood stand that I am going to be using to stand the table. Those are just legs that I'm cutting to build more planters. Again, guys, like I said, the goal was for me to reuse a lot of my old materials, aka why this is still sitting here. I need to cut the grass in this front yard. I need to do something in this area, but this is going to be the last thing that I touch. This is what we have with the trellis right now. And guys, don't judge my planters. They are not the most prettiest thing looking right now, but once I'm done, you won't be able to see this side. I might have to file this, like you won't be able to see this side because I'm gonna make it look pretty on the outside. Like that's why I don't really care about the uneven. I do need to tighten some of the screws on this, but so you walking down here, of course you got the baby watermelon. So this is where I say my garden is looking completely different. The planter over here is gone. The planter over here is completely gone because this planter, and I've already measured it, is gonna go inside that frame over there. And I'm gonna put the food safe top inside so the wood does not disintegrate into the food. I forgot to do it for those wood, so my bad, my mistake. But this is going to go in between again because I don't like using those things because I think they were completely useless. So I'm done. So this is going to go over here. I need to measure one for this spot. So it's going to go from this post to that post. And I need to measure one from this post to that post. I'm going to get those tackle in first. And then eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to create planters for this row, but it's going to be skinnier. So it leaves me one more walk path, which means this is going to be also skinnier. And then I think I can thin out this planter without touching the beans, because if I cut it in half, then it leaves me room over here to start building the thin planters to go in between the posts. But I'm gonna have planters go down this way as well. This arch, I'm sorry, you guys can't even see the arch. This arch is going to be encased inside the planter, so I can still have something to trellis my cucumber. But look at those two cucumbers. So I'm gonna be working in this portion of this garden. I do have a pepper coming in. However, it's coming back alive. But look at them butterflies. I did repot the avocado tree. I'm trying to have wood planters out here to basically bask in the I'm trying to have them look cohesive. But yeah, guys, my yard looks like a hot mess. Doesn't the garden looks pretty already? Well, the garden looks prettier, but my yard doesn't look prettier. But I did repot the beans. This is going to go here. So please don't die. Hi guys, so this is where the yard is currently at right now. So it ran pretty bad last night, so I still need to finish these two planters, but I need to finish this one, and I need to basically fix this one because it needs to fit between those two posts, and I need to make one for this one, and I need to put something over here to make sure it's flush, and then I'm gonna put the weed barrier in there. This tomato plant is coming alive, but yeah, this is the garden right now. It looks like a mess. this is where the table is gonna go, but right now I don't want it to be too crowded. I still need to create a trellis for this bin because it's getting too long for the current bin it is. I got a watermelon coming in right now. You see it? Yeah, watermelon. Got another one touching the ground, and I got another one over here. This one's dead, but I got multiple peppers on this. Look at this one, and then over here. For a second there, I thought this pepper tree was dead, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But obviously it's not. And actually I feel like the leaves are getting bigger. Jalapeno is still doing really well. I'm getting more cucumbers, even though I thought cucumber season was over with. Flowers. Again, I need to trellis these beans. It's a purple bell pepper. I got some marigold growing right now. Those two tomato trees, I'm pretty sure, are dead. My black cherry tomatoes, I'm getting some, but them bugs keep getting to it before I do. The delicata squash. God, there was a hummingbird. Where you at? Okay, so I had to rip out the spaghetti squash that was in there. Yeah. So now I just got marigold. And whatever that plant is, I have no idea what it is. But those two tomato trees are dead. This is the garden avocado tree. I'm pretty sure the sweet baby watermelon is almost done because the tendril is about to die. I try to clean the yard as best as possible. I have all the scrap wood over there. I need to do something with this pallet. I'm gonna take this entire thing down, but another day. I got some Brussels sprouts over there. Did mow the grass the other day. Started growing again. My Boston firm, and then I got a lot of other plants over here. I repotted all the strawberry that was dying, so I feel like this is gonna be a lot better for them. I have some strawberry here that I just threw over here. My grape tree. I need to find some kind of supplement for it because right now the leaves are not doing too well. And then once I'm done doing the planters, those are gonna go in the planters. But I got the Malabar Spanish over there. I'm really hoping this pineapple is not dead. But we'll see. Peppermint and guava. I think. Yeah, it should be guava. I just tied back this tree because it was leaning this way into a 2x2. And it goes all the way up. But I know, like, I feel like you guys might think that like I'm over here just dragging this transformation, but it's been one, either hot outside, or two, it's been raining, and I'm also working with just the stuff that I have at hand because I'm not trying to spend any more money. I do have a job interview on Wednesday, so wish your girl good luck. I've been doing a lot of DIY project inside the house. So on Friday, the post most likely is going to be part 1 of my guest bedroom DIY. But I'll let you guys know just in case anything changed. But again, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. And I think right now I have 140 subscribers, and it's crazy because I started back in June with 36 subscribers because I had quit back in 2019. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, And if you like to see more DIY project, just go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel and hit the little notification bell so you can get any like notification when I do post video. I do post Tuesday and Friday, but that might change pretty soon depending on how my class schedule gets and if I get a job. So hopefully, you know, your girl gets a job pretty soon. And I know that this job market is pretty rough. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you all next time.